Only a stock market enthusiast worth their salt will be able to answer this question. What's the common thing between Benjamin Graham, Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger? That very thing is the subject of our video today, so let's dive into the mystical world of value investing.
Have you ever wondered how to find undervalued stocks in the market? Welcome to the fascinating world of value investing, akin to a treasure hunt in the stock market. Our quest is to unearth hidden gems, stocks that are undervalued yet brimming with potential for growth. The compass guiding us on this journey, key principles such as understanding a stock's intrinsic value, adopting a contrarian approach, maintaining a long-term perspective, and conducting fundamental analysis. Ready to find your treasure? Let's dive into the details. Scene script. Value investing revolves around a few key principles. First, the margin of safety. This principle suggests buying stocks at a price significantly below their intrinsic value is like buying $1 for 50 cents. This cushion protects investors from potential losses if their analysis is off the mark or if unforeseen market changes occur. Next, we have economic moats. This term, coined by the investment guru Warren Buffett, refers to a company's competitive advantage that allows it to fend off competitors and maintain its profitability. It could be a strong brand, patents, cost advantages, or network effects. The third principle is the buy and hold strategy. Value investors aren't interested in short-term price fluctuations. They're more like marathon runners, focusing on the long haul. They buy undervalued stocks and hold on to them until they reach their true value. And finally, ignoring market noise. The stock market is filled with daily noise from news, rumors, and speculations that can cause drastic price swings. But value investors remain unfazed by this noise. They stick to their analysis, trusting in the intrinsic value of their investments rather than the whims of the market. These principles guide a value investor in their quest for undervalued stocks. How does value investing compare to other approaches to stock trading? Well, unlike growth investing, which focuses on companies expected to grow at an above-average rate, value investing seeks out undervalued companies, often with lower price-to-earnings ratios. Technical analysis, on the other hand, relies on charts and patterns, while value investing uses fundamental analysis to determine a company's intrinsic value. Dividend investing targets companies that pay dividends, whereas value investing is more about capital appreciation. Value investing stands out with its focus on intrinsic value and long-term growth. Let's bring this concept down to earth. Imagine rummaging through a garage sale, spotting a rare toy that others have missed. It's dusty, yes, but you see its worth. That's value investing, discovering those overlooked toys in the stock market. So, are you ready to start your treasure hunt? By understanding and applying the principles of value investing, you're equipped to identify undervalued stocks with long-term potential. Remember, the treasure may not be easy to find, but the rewards can be worth the effort.
The world of security analysis is intriguing. That's a slightly different approach to investing than fundamental analysis. Do you want to know how? We can happily elaborate on it some other time. Please let us know if you want us to come out with more such videos. Stay invested.